I'm going to try to make beef jerky with this bottom round. Never really made this before. Actually, I lied. I tried making it once before, but I failed. And I guess we'll see how it goes. I think I'm going to try a couple different styles. I'm going to try some with teriyaki sauce. I'm going to just try some with pepper. And maybe some without anything. Just see how it turns out. Since I have to cut it fairly thin, I want to make sure my knife is fairly sharp. Just see how sharp it is now. Let's see. Somewhat struggling to cut through the paper. It can be a little sharper. So I just thought of this crazy idea for the remaining beef jerky. I was just going to put some salt and pepper on it. I'm thinking I'm going to mix a little bit of soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, some black pepper, and some whiskey. Oh yeah, that's weird. So again, I've never made beef jerky. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going with gut instinct here. I think I need to dry these off. This one is the teriyaki. You see the marinade didn't really penetrate all the way through. A lot of it was sticking out. And this is the whiskey one. Yeah, I can definitely smell it. I put one with just foil. I let the sides open so it doesn't restrict airflow, just so it don't have the direct heat on top of the beef jerky. So I'm going to set this to 160 for 5 hours. Alright, it's been in here for an hour. Let's take a look. It's the top rack. It's the middle rack. Oh, look at this one. This one is like really dried. There must be more airflow over here or something. I'm just gonna throw that right on top. I added 1 hour to the cooking time, so the beef jerky has been cooking for 6 hours now. Surprisingly, the beef jerky came out pretty good, and I actually like the whiskey one better than the teriyaki one. What I did find though was the slices that I cut really thin were too crispy. It just took too much time to chew it for it to actually taste good, whereas the slightly thicker ones were better. So that could just be personal preference, but I like it a little bit thicker.